Oh crap! Bombing, run! Bombing, run! Duck! Duck! Crap. Oh god, what happened? Bomb! Just gonna sit down for a minute. How did that happen? What the hell? Snipe. Let's see what there is. Wait. Flip. It's got this room. Give it a second. I'm just gonna sit
Down there? What the hell? Up? Anything? No? God.
No, I can't snipe. Oh god. What? How did it happen? Gotta find out.
Let's send out my claw on.
That was a bit dramatic. My claws robot shooting at nothing. Jesus, what is making all these weird things?
Look.
What? God, how did that happen? Randomly, the car. Oh, there's a lot of strange things happening.
Wait, what the hell was that? No! Ow, ow, ow. That's what's been doing everything. That guy. Okay, I better try and find him. I'll shoot him.
Oh, God, missed him. Sugar. Gun. I just stabbed him. He's down anyway. Well, that's the end of this. He's gone. Well, that's the end of this. Nope, shoot him! Oh crap. Yep, now he's dead. No, watch me stabbing on live camera. Now he's dead forever.